What's going on? This is Larry the Ghost, showing you how I make modern R&B type beat from scratch using the iPhone GarageBand app. This is a highlight from my last stream where I made this beat that I'm about to show you right now. If you want more music production related contents like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can catch me when I go live. I plan on streaming every Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. With that being said, let's dive right into the breakdown. Alright, so let's begin. We're going to change the tempo to 120 BPM. And as you can see here, I already have my chord progression made. It's, let me see, let me play it for you. This is our starting chord progression. Just gonna go ahead and loop this. Let's look for a different pad sound. Alright, so we're gonna stay in pads. To be honest, let's just go through each sound to see what we have. Adding some drum sounds. 100 kit. Go ahead and check that out. Larry.beatstars.com. I'm selling the kit right now. Let's start with the hi-hats first. Alright, so once we have the hi-hat loaded up, let's drag down the reverb. So we're gonna make this quieter. Copy that. Delete this one and paste that. Wait a minute, what just happened? Oh no. You know what, we'll just do this. Drag that down like that. So then just go ahead and loop that for now. Yeah, let's try that one. You guys that make beat on GarageBand, you guys have been asking me why do I like to drag and drop samples on the arrangement instead of loading up the sample onto the sampler and drawing it with the MIDI note. And the reason why is I feel like when you do this on GarageBand iOS, right, when you drag and drop sample into the arrangement window, I feel like it cuts through the mix way harder as opposed to just drawing the notes in. But yeah, it's up to you though. Ultimately, if you like to draw in the notes using the sampler, then go ahead and do that. But for me, basically all the kicks and snare, all the drum beats that end on the downbeat, I like to drag and drop. If it's like a very complex, if it has complex rhythm, like snare rolls, hi-hats and stuff like that, then I usually like to load it up, draw it with the MIDI note. So yeah. Bass, and let's see here, plucky synth bass, that sounds kind of cool. Alright, so we highlight this area, go to track setting, quantization, and let's try 1/8 note. Let's see how that sounds. All on one. Right here. Let's see. Let's go to my 100 kit. Now I got a crash cymbal somewhere. Okay, that works. Let's just try that. Drag and drop the sample. Let's turn it down a little bit. We're gonna add our 808. Alright, let's just go ahead and use this. You don't want any reverb on your 808, so make sure you turn that down. By default, whenever you load up a sample on GarageBand, it automatically applies a little bit of reverb, but you don't want that on your 808s. Alright, so let's go to F sharp. Let's try that. Oops. Let's try that. Now that we have that, we're gonna add 8 more bars, so that's gonna be 24. Boom. And then we're just gonna copy and paste all of these right here. Oops. Right here. Which are my hi-hats, clap, 808. So I'm hearing some sort of a pluck sound. I'm gonna go to our Alchemy Synth. Maybe under mallets, some bell sounds. Okay. Let's see how this sounds. Like that. Note. See how that sounds. Yeah, that's cool. Let's loop that. I mean, we're almost pretty much done with this beat, to be honest. I'm just gonna go ahead and drag the kick sample now. Let's see. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah. Add one right here so it creates that like this. So it's gonna be like oh no, that's too fast. It'll be like this. Yeah, that. Yeah, I like that. So we'll just move this. 8 more bars, and then all there's left to do is copy and paste, and you're basically done. Paste it right here. Oops. Paste. Alright, so that was the end of the verse / chorus. This is the pre-chorus, I guess. Actually, we're just gonna copy and paste this over again like that. Maybe even more percussive loop. But to be honest, this is like a bare bone minimum. I say just good enough for artists to get in, hop on the track, you feel me? And honestly, I'm just gonna fade the last part in. I'm gonna go to the effects.